No, no, yeah, no.
Hi, welcome to Cooking with LYNQ. Today we are going to be making some cinnamon sugar twist sticks. So this is made with a defrosted puff pastry dough that you just buy in the store, 1 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of powdered. So step number 1 is to just roll out your puff pastry, and you're gonna stop rolling when it's at about 1/8 of an inch thick. Add your dry ingredients into a dish. And just make sure that it's well mixed. We're gonna cut this into 1-inch slices. I have preheated the oven at 400 degrees. And what we will be doing is we take 1 slice at a time, dip it in the sugar, twist it, and lay it on a baking sheet with parchment paper. When you're working with puff pastry, it's important to let it defrost when you first start, but then you have to kind of work fast because it's so buttery, you don't want it to get too warm. So if you don't think that you're gonna be fast enough to finish this process, you can put half of it in the fridge while you're doing the other half. So here we have them. I'm gonna put them in the oven and we're gonna keep watching them to make sure that they don't burn. So these just came out of the oven and they're nice and hot. It smells nice and cinnamony. I'm just gonna put them on a plate before tasting them. And look how pretty these are. So this is a nice little treat. The kids will absolutely love these. And with our powdered inside, it just makes it somewhat healthy at least. So let's try this. That's like heaven. That's amazing. So please like and subscribe and share our videos and try it out. Test out this recipe and let us know how you like it.